Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your US password as a digital ID on your iPhone running iOS 26 or newer. This works only on supported device, so I'll walk you through everything you need to set up before you can scan your password. Let's get started. Open up Settings, then tap on General, tap on Software Update, and make sure your iPhone is running the iOS 26 or later, because this feature will not show up on any older versions. Your device also must be iPhone 11 or newer, and if you want to use this digital ID on your Apple Watch, make sure it's Series 6 or newer and fully updated. After that, scroll below, then tap on Face ID and Passcode, and make sure you have the passcode set or ideally Face ID turned on. This is required for security. Also, after that, head back to settings again, tap on your Apple ID, then tap on sign in and security. Just like that, inside here, you want to go ahead and simply make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. Without this, Apple Wallet won't allow adding a digital ID. After that, head back to your settings again, scroll below, tap on general, scroll below again, tap on language and region, and here, make sure your region is set to United States. Right now, Apple only supports US password for this feature. Now, after that, head back to your home screen and then open up the wallet application. Once you're here, simply tap on the plus icon right over here. Then tap on driver's license or ID card. Then select digital ID. Now tap on continue. And when prompted, scan the page of your passport with your photo and machine-readable lines. Make sure your passport is not expired. The NFC chip can be read and you hold still while scanning. Sometimes it might take a few tries, so be patient. Once the scan is complete, your password will now be added as a digital ID inside Apple Wallet. And that's it. You now have your password stored securely on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.